Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HEJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having a fantastic conversation ahead with Ricky and Todd. Ricky, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Sure. Yes. Well, my name is Ricky Gutierrez. I work at Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners, an international tax accounting and legal firm here located in Barcelona, Spain. And well, we're mostly focused on
Okay.
international clients, also Spanish clients. And we'll be here to kind of answer most of your questions related to taxation in Spain and also a little bit in the US.
Fantastic. And Todd?
Hi, everyone. My name is Todd Cowan. I am a certified financial planner and executive director at London and Capital. We are a UK headquartered wealth management firm with a unique regulatory approval that spans the US with the SEC, the UK with the FCA, and the Spanish financial regulator, the CNMV, allowing us to provide regulated advice truly cross-border. And as of 4 months ago, I now live right down the street from Ricky in Barcelona, Spain.
Wonderful. What opportunities exist for multi-currency investment strategies for US citizens residing in Spain, specifically to help with my USD portfolio keep pace with European expenditures, given that the euro is historically the stronger currency?
Sure. Well, interestingly, the dollar is quite strong right now, so it's a really good time about maybe moving some money into euro. But it's a great question. Interestingly, once a U.S. individual is in Spain and in Europe, there's no shortage of opportunities by which to either hold euro-denominated assets through your local bank, or investment providers throughout Europe will typically have multiple currency line items that you can either hold or invest in. One caveat is be aware of funds, and we'll talk about that in a minute. The interesting thing is that in the U.S. marketplace, so the U.S. Financial services landscape, it's sometimes difficult to get a multi-currency approach. And I remember my days back to where sometimes you had to have an investment minimum of 5 million in order just to get into a multi-currency portfolio, and then you had no real say as the owner as to what that multi-currency portfolio was going to hold. So when we're thinking specifically about individuals that have dollar as their base currency, maybe through historical earnings, and needing to essentially have euro exposure for euro expenditure, there are a few providers in the US that can offer multi-currency direct security investment in dollars, euros, Swiss franc, hold multiple currency line items in cash in terms of euros and cash. Again, shameless plug, London and Capital is one of those. But the reality is that it is sometimes quite difficult for US connected individuals with assets remaining in the US, the US situs assets, to find euro denominated exposure. Now, there are a couple of potential hedging opportunities that individuals might be able to take advantage of if they're more concerned about their investment portfolio. That could be in the form of an ETF in the US that might have hedging capabilities. And again, that may come with its own challenges in terms of how you get into that vehicle once you're Spanish res. The reality is that there are a few options, and certainly more than there used to be 5 years ago, 10 years ago. But the reality is that you definitely want to seek out perhaps a professional advisor that can hold and or manage for your future euro-denominated expenditure.
If someone wants to reach out to you and consult with you, what's the best way to do so?
You can either reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can reach out to me via my email address at todd.cowan at londonandcapital, all spelled out.com. We also have a website, London and Capital, and the and is very important. Make sure you do not forget the and or the ampersand in our name, because there is another institution out there that has some financial, unrelated to us, that has some financial troubles. And you want to make sure it's London and Capital, and you'll be able to find it.
Fantastic. Thank you. And Ricky?
In terms of myself, you can also find me on LinkedIn, and also you can send me an email directly. My email is ricky@gpasoc.com. Ricky, it's RICKY. And you can also find me on our website. We do have a website with Gutierrez Pujadas and Partners in Barcelona. So you can send an email to our website. You can send a consultation to our website, and obviously I'll me and my team will be able to reach out to you, and hopefully we'll be able to help you with any issues that you might have.
Thank you very much. And my name is Darren Joseph, htj.tax, and we'll see you next time.
Okay, fantastic.